This is an apropos, a short, fact-based observation about betterment. In this apropos, I want to look at what the job numbers actually say about AI and what that means for our personal betterment. There's been a lot of anxiety about AI replacing jobs, but the recent data points in a different direction. According to recent reporting from Axios, jobs that are more exposed to AI are not shrinking, they're growing. Wages in those roles have also risen faster than in jobs that are less exposed to AI. In other words, the work isn't disappearing. The work is shifting toward tasks that matter more. This is where betterment comes in. AI doesn't make people automatically better, but it lowers the cost of getting better. It reduces friction. It speeds up learning. It handles repetitive work so people can move up the value chain into judgment, coordination, and decision making. None of this happens by default. Tools don't choose, people choose. So the question isn't whether AI will replace you. The question is whether you'll use it as a tool for betterment or ignore it while others move ahead.